Okay. This says to Kylan. You need help?
Yeah.
I'll help you in a minute. Go ahead and put her over there.
That's it. Thank you.
Sorry, I don't know where you went. Hold on. Reframing it. Okay. Shit. This is to Ricky from Mommy Calf.
Millions of these. Yeah. In the Benton Hills, let's watch.
Oh, cool.
She's gonna be a lot.
I know. She's in trouble.
What's this?
It hangs in your closet and holds stuff.
What the? Swamp fire again.
Cool.
This is for this.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. Highland. What? What the? Bubba, look. What's for your... Oh, you got Buster Zone. And Kung Fu Panda. And...
Okay, I don't know who this one belongs to. It doesn't have a name. So I'll let you open it. You gotta open those.
Look at all your cute. Yep, this is definitely mine. Yeah, that's definitely Ricky.
And what is it?
Speed Racer game.
Wow.
And two big batteries.
Alright, and Sam has stockings. So I'll wait until Kylan's done.
Look! Sucking in the kisses.
Oh. A stocking full of kisses. Wow. That was from Aunt Tirsa, I believe. Yep, that was from Aunt Tirsa. Okay, open up the next one from Aunt Tirsa.
Yeah. That's full of old clothes. That's all I gave you. Yeah?
No, Aunt Tirsa did. Keep going.
Need help opening it? Turn it up. What? That's sleeping bag? That's sleeping bag and everything that's in here.
Who's on it? Ooh. Okay, and then open your last present. It's from Bubba.
Where is it?
Right there.
There you go. I forgot what I gave her.
And you did.
Bobby. That's nice. I'll kiss you in just a minute.
I'll kiss you in just a minute.
Go. I didn't give her that.
You did?
Bubba, thank you. Oh, yeah. Nothing.
It hangs on your wall.
Look on the front. Oh, we did. There we go.
What you think?
Pretty.
Let me move the dogs. Move, move, move. Show the video. Alright. Cool, huh? Alright. Last little bits from Santa. Stocking. And your also didn't fit apparently. Here.
This is mine. Hey, in the tree I see there's a thing that says Merry Christmas. It's a note.
Yeah, I've already gotten that. And then there's one more inside the tree. Go, go,
Where's Dora?
go. Already gave them theirs.
Oh.
Come here, Dora. Come over here.
That's our present.
Wow. Huh?
Cool.
What did you say?
I said I wanted it.
You did. Wow. Santa must have known.
Maybe I'm gonna get one.
You think so?
And if she did, look at it. Look at the face.
Ooh. They're boxers.
Oh, yeah. That's the real underwear.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Look at you. Skinnier underwear. Oh my gosh. What's that? Look.
Tinkerbell?
Think about socks. I love this whole life.
You love what?
I love this whole life.
This whole life.
Oh my gosh. You give me a bunch of socks. Look.
Yeah? Looks like you both got a bunch of socks.
No. I think. Yes, I do.
Oh, cool.
Oh my gosh. That's even more. I got it.
All right. Move, Pebs.
Not like this.
What is that?
It was at, Gotcha. Remember?
But no, what is it?
I don't know, it doesn't say it.
No.
That's the whole thing.
You working on it, Kai? Goodness. You're gonna show me each pair of socks? We might be here a while if you have as many as Bubba did.
What?
We might be here a while.
School. What is this?
Bubby got headphones. Is that what they are?
Yeah, I got green ones.
What color are yours?
Pink. It's your favorite color.
More socks.
More sockies.
What's on those?
Butterberries.
Oh.
Did Santa Claus give me this?
Uh-huh. Was it in your stocking?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
The Santa like Bubby.
Oh.
Bubby Joe. You don't got stuff. This is how small it gets.
Oh, let me see. Wow.
Cookie berries.
Oh.
Oh, we got Socky.
You got socks in your socks?
Stockings.
Yeah.
As a stocking.
Now you have to be careful with the nesting doll, because the dogs. Okay? See? Dora's already checking them out.
Hey.
I'm gonna eat them. Chew them up.
It's gonna chew one up.
Are you all done?
No.